Hello friends, this is Vedant from Vedgyan. In my previous video, we saw the list of top 8 highest paying jobs. So if you haven't seen my previous video yet, find the link in the description. Don't miss that video, watch that later. Without wasting time, let's start our today's session. And the topic is full stack developer. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about full stack developer. Let's first see the agenda. I will cover total 5 areas in this video. History, definition of full stack developer, skills required for this job, roles and responsibility, and the last one, benefits and demand for this position. So, let's first talk about history. From when this term full stack developer started trending and why it is in demand. Few years back at OSCON conference or in a journal, a Facebook person allegedly said that they started hiring only full stack developers for their projects, and then onwards other company also started hiring. In order to understand the full stack developer, let's first understand that in many companies the web application development is split into two parts, front end and back end. Now what is front end developer? Client side of web app, that is everything you see and interact within the browser as a user of the application is front end, and the person responsible for that is the front end developer. Backend developer. So backend developers are the ones who write the code for logical layer of application, which allows you to perform different operations from the screen. And now finally, the definition of full stack developer. This is the common definition. A person or an individual who is responsible for the development of end-to-end application or the system is a full stack developer. Here, end-to-end means from UI UX to backend code running on the different servers. Let's check what skills are required to become full stack developer. For front end, these are some skills listed here. HTML, that is hypertext markup language, for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. CSS, that is cascading style sheet, level 3. It is used with the HTML to create format content structure. It is responsible for basically colors, font properties, and the images and graphic tables, different things that you see on the web browser. And similarly, JavaScript, XML, Angular, React, Bootstrap. These all the language and frameworks are used for the front-end development. So if you are a backend developer and want to become full stack developer, then you can start learning them, or at least you can start with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and any one framework. Now let's check the backend skills. Some famous languages and frameworks are listed here. Java, C Sharp, PHP, Node.js, then Python. Python got popularity since past few years, and many big companies such as Google, Instagram, Spotify, Netflix using it in their applications and websites. Then some others are Ruby, ASP.NET, Express, Go. These are the backend programming languages and frameworks. Now popular databases that company uses for their projects. MySQL, MongoDB, SQLite, PostgreSQL, MS SQL. These are the basic technical skills required, but with all these, few more skills will also be required, like you should be knowing version control tool, then project management tool. Also communication skill will play a key role for this position. Then continuous integration and continuous delivery. And the last one, creating and building APIs. Having all these skills will be very helpful with the other ones. Let's check out the roles and responsibility. Managing quality and ensuring the responsiveness of application. Collaborate with rest of the engineering teams for the design and launch of new features. Developing front-end website architecture and designing UI. Developing backend of the application. And while developing all these, maintaining code integrity and code organization. Creating and maintaining servers and databases for the application. Designing and developing APIs. Understanding and implementation of security and data protection in the system. Moving to our last topic, that is benefits and demand. As you will be playing different roles and applying different techniques, you can be master of all these skills and the techniques involved in the project development, which may ultimately help you to get into managerial role after some years, as you already know all the different aspects of application development. So basically it can help you in your career growth. One benefit is that the communication time that is used within the big teams that will be reduced, that can result into higher productivity. With small team, one can reduce the cost as well. Total cost of project will be reduced. You can switch between front-end and back-end developer in this role. You can better understand all aspects of new and upcoming technologies. Now, let's talk about the demand and salary packages that offered for this job position. Average salary of full stack developer is higher than the web developer, and that goes around 6 to 7 lakhs per annum in India. Currently, those working for cloud projects with React or Node.js gets paid well than the other ones in the same position. This package can goes up in the range of 14 to 16 lakh per annum for the expert or senior positions. Demand and trend for this job is increasing year by year, and it has been noticed that in previous few years only it has been increased by 25%. This will remain same for next few years. For current year we may see some different figure for this because of the COVID-19 pandemic. But by 2024 trend will be high and more job openings will be there. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and share this video to your friends. Also, for the regular updates of upcoming videos, subscribe to my channel.